Dude, what are you doing?
What do you mean? You were going so slow, I had plenty of time.
I'm not slow.
Yeah, you are.
Fine then, let's race.
Fine, let's do it.
Okay,
Okay.
fine.
Okay, let's go.
You're on, bro.
You're slow.
No.
Yes.
Dude, I would have been there first if I didn't spin out.
You know why you spun out? It's because you're slow.
Yeah, we got there at the same time. That means I caught up.
No. You're just slow.
Fine, but...
Boys, dinner's ready.
Reach there.
Oh.
Say something funny.
Something funny.
Hey, Nate, guess where you are?
Where?
Right there.
Oops, lost the hat.
It's okay, watch this. It's gonna be epic.
You gonna pick it up?
Oh, yeah.
Because you're slow.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Uh-huh.
You're slow.
No. Your car's pink and yellow.
I'm just gonna get a bit of video just of it here. Something.
Avocado.